Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Today, we are going to learn permanent words, defects, plurals, comparison, pronouns for subjects. This is our 8th lecture of Arabic grammar. After this only 2 lectures will be left and then we will start with Arabic vocabulary, so without any further delay, let's hop on to our lecture number 8. Permanent words.
ضرب
Means to beat someone. But when it is converted into
ضارب,
it means, the one who beats. The action the person performed does not need to be permanent. Meaning that the one who beat someone, performed the action and then stopped. That person did not beat the other one for his entire life or for a long period, for example 10 years. However, there are actions that are to be for a longer period or for entire life. For example, a well-respected person or a person who is very respected, in the society, etc. The person's respect does not remain for a short moment and then disappears, it remains for a lifetime or for a longer period. To make that happen, we use a different format. Let's take an example of
كرم,
which means, to become well-respected. When it is converted into
كريم,
it becomes, one who is well-respected, for a long time. Some more examples of this are
حليم,
one who is forbearing,
عليم,
one who is well-informed or have knowledge,
قدير,
one who is capable or powerful,
بصير,
one who is all-seeing,
سميع,
one who listens,
خبير,
one who is all-aware,
سعيد,
one who is happy,
عظيم,
one who is great, great in status, for example Allah,
صغير,
one who is small,
كبير,
one who is great, in size or power. Note that this format is used for describing things that last for a longer period of time. Defects in a body. Defects in a body for a male are written in the shape of
أفعال. أعرج,
limping, could be because of injury in legs or by birth.
أعور,
Squint-eyed.
أعمي,
Blind.
تحمر,
Red.
أسود,
Black.
أبيض.
White. Defects in a body for a female are written as
أعرج,
becomes,
عرجاء. أعور,
becomes,
عوراء. أعمي,
becomes,
عمياء. أسود,
becomes,
سوداء. أعرج,
becomes,
عرج. أعور,
becomes,
عور. أعمي,
becomes,
عمي. تحمر,
becomes.
حمر.
Comparison for male. How to compare someone with the other one. Meaning how to tell that one person is better in something than the other one or someone does something more than the other one. For that we use a different format. For example,
ضارب,
becomes,
أضرب. زيدون أضرب من بكرون.
Zaid beats more than Bakr. Or,
والله أعلم.
Allah knows better.
والله أعلم.
Means, Allah knows better. But better than whom? If nothing is written, then it is assumed that the whole world or universe is being compared. So the sentence means, Allah knows better than everyone, in the universe and beyond it.
الله أكبر.
Allah is the greatest. Again, nothing is written after Akbar, therefore we assume that the whole world being compared. We can also write,
الله أكبر من كل شيء.
Allah is the greatest of all, or Allah is the greatest than everyone.
من كل شيء.
Means, than everyone. It is usually not written, so we assume by ourselves that the world is being compared. Here is a small list of some more words for comparison.
أصغر من.
More, smaller than.
من.
Means than.
أرحم الراحم. أرحم.
Means more forgiver.
راحم.
Means one who forgives. Allah is more forgiver than every other forgivers. Comparison for female. For comparing females or things that are feminine are written in a different format. For example,
أضرب.
becomes.
رحمة.
Here are some of the examples for comparison words for females.
يسرى.
Means, more easier. Many Muslims girls have the name.
يسرى.
Question comes that why it is used as a name when it means, more easier. The answer is that the word,
يسرى,
is also used to describe paradise. In Quran, Allah used the word,
يسرى,
to describe paradise as more easier for people who do good deeds and follow the Quran and Sunnah. Pronouns for subjects. Pronouns are words which are used instead of a name. In every language there are different pronouns for object and different pronouns for subject, and same is for Arabic.
و,
He,
هما,
they, both male.
هم,
They, all male.
هي,
She,
هما,
they, both female.
هن,
They, all female.
أنت,
You,
أنتما,
you, both male.
أنتم,
You, all male.
أنت,
You, female.
أنتما,
You, both female.
أنتن,
You, all female.
أنا,
I,
نحن.
we. That's it for today. This was our lecture number 8. After this only 2 lectures are left for Arabic grammar, and then we will start off with our next topic, that is Arabic vocabulary. We hope you understand what we have taught you up till now. You can make your own notes, or you can access our lecture notes from our website, Tafseer-e-Quran. Just search for Tafseer-e-Quran 20 Days Challenge or click on the link in description. Till then, Allah Hafiz.